morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So what we'll be looking at today is oxidation number of an element in a compound. So the compound we'll be looking at today is KMnO4. So we are to get the oxidation number of manganese in this compound. So I will be teaching you guys a trick that will help you make solving of such questions simple to you. Okay, let's take it like this in our periodic table. From our periodic table, alright, this is the trick. The oxidation number of elements in group 1 to group 3 is usually equal to their group number, or maybe let me say equal to their valence electrons. Like for potassium is under group 1, this oxidation number is usually group +1 in compounds, and also magnesium is always +2, calcium is always +2 in compounds, aluminium is always +3. So that's the trick. So let's get back to the question. So here we are to look for oxidation number of manganese. So from our periodic table we have seen it already. Manganese is +1, then plus potassium is +1, then from manganese let's call it X, then plus oxygen, that is 4. We have 4 atoms of oxygen here, -2. So oxygen is always -2 in all the compounds except from peroxides. So oxygen is -2. So +1 plus X -8 equals 0. So X +1 -8 equals 0. So X -7 equals 0. So our X is equal to +7. So the oxidation number of manganese in this compound here is +7. So guys, there is nothing difficult in finding the oxidation number of an element in a compound. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you.